Alright. What's up, guys? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Out on the bobber again. And that's actually the topic of today's video. Actually, this video is actually my second time riding with these new handlebars. The last video, I got rained on. So far I'm liking these a lot better than the old ones. Just that little bit of angle on them feels so much better. Oh, they finally cleared out all the sticks there, nice. Anyway guys, today we are going to be talking about my top 5 best looking bobbers. Of course, this is completely opinion based because there's so much customization that you can do when you're making a bobber. This is completely opinion based. A little bit of dirt there. And yeah, don't take this as fact. It's basically just like motorcycles that make good bobbers, I guess. So yeah, the number 5 and best looking motorcycle that you can make into a bobber would be, in my opinion, the Harley-Davidson 48. There's even, I'll throw up a couple pictures here, but there's even a Springer seat that you can get from the factory. And it already has the, almost the hardtail, but it's still got like the suspension on the back tire connecting to the bottom of the seat. So you still have that, but you can get a Springer seat from the factory and it's almost a bobber. Are those pigs? No, they're sheep. Somebody has sheep. Nice. Don't run away, sheep! Oh my goodness. They run so cute. Oh my gosh. And yeah, they just look really cool. I really like the 48s. I would love to own one of those someday. But they just look even cooler with the Springer seat on them to make them kind of look like a bobber. And I'll throw up a picture of one that's made completely into a bobber right here. Alright, number 4 on my list is the Indian Scout. This is another one. I think you can get it almost a bobber from the factory. But I've seen a lot of cool Indian Scouts that have been made into bobbers in pictures. Throw up a couple pictures here. And yeah, those are just really cool bikes. But Indians, they keep their value. They're so expensive and they keep their value really well. So even a used one is expensive. And yeah, they're really cool bikes. I like them. One of my best friends wants to get an Indian, and hopefully he does eventually. Number 3 bike on my list that would make a really cool bobber is actually one that I was really looking for. And these ones, they have so many bobber kits for, and I would definitely like to get one someday. In fact, 2 weeks after I bought this bike, I found one listed for sale. I was like, really? Where was this at 2 weeks ago? And that bike is the Honda Shadow. Those make excellent bobbers. I personally would like a 750 or something. I think that would be really cool. But you guys know a really famous one that was made into a bobber, and that was Do It With Dan's that he made. It's like Yeah, the really famous one is Do It With Dan's one that he made. It's all army green, Warhorse, I think it was what it was called. That one looks freaking amazing. So yeah, the Honda Shadows are such good at bobbers. That's what I was really looking for when I was looking for bobbers. Ooh, nice. An old Thunderbird, I think. Yeah, I was really wanting to get one of those, and of course, 2 weeks after I got this, there was one for sale. And number 2 on my list of best bikes that can be made into bobbers is, of course, what I'm riding, the Yamaha V-Stars. We got this one that I'm on is the 650, there's that 1100 that I was looking at. And then, of course, a famous one is the one that Chase on Two Wheels is making, his V-Star 1300. And yeah, that thing at the time of this filming is not yet completed yet, but it's looking really awesome so far. I actually really hope that I win that. I did support this time, and I really hope I win it. It looks really cool. I just would take off the stickers on the tank. I'm not really a big fan of that, but everything else looks really awesome. I really like the blue. Yeah, it's just looking so cool, and it's actually belt driven. The 650 that I'm on and the 1100 that I was looking at, they're both shaft driven. Yamaha also makes a V-Star 950, but I'm not sure if that one's shaft driven or not. It probably is. Let me record the new intro real quick with this bike, and I'll see you guys in a minute.
A few inches later.
There we go. Alright, now we got the new intro video filmed, which you guys have probably already seen by now. That brings us to our number 1 best looking bobber, or best looking bike that can be turned into a bobber. In my opinion, that bike is a Honda Magna. You guys know the very famous one, of course, that Do It With Dan has. That bike just looks so amazing. And that's the bike that actually inspired me to want a bobber and to get this one. Yeah, that bike just looks so amazing. Sounds amazing. And yeah, now that he like fixed it up and stuff, it's so awesome. I would definitely love to have one of those someday. Actually, while looking for a bobber, I did find one, a Honda Magna, but it wasn't, it was just a stock Honda Magna with like the square headlight that they came with. I think it was an 85, it might have been a little older. It wasn't a bad price, but it was not running. And that would have been a lot of time and research and headaches just getting that bike running, much less completely turning it into a bobber. So that's why I didn't go for that one. And also I couldn't tell if it was the V4 or not, because if I did get a Magna, I would definitely want the V4. And yeah, you guys, those are the best looking bobbers in my opinion. And just remember that I'm a YouTuber and my opinions literally don't matter. I'm just here making videos, that's it. So don't take this as like facts. If you guys have a different opinion, that's alright, and go ahead and leave that in the comments if you think you know a bike that makes a better looking bobber. Drop it down in the comments. So many different kinds of cruisers, and so many things you can do to them, especially when you're taking everything away and making it into a bobber. Is just So much customization that you can do. Come on, guy, you got your own lane. You have your own lane, you can turn anytime. There's literally a lane right there for you. I don't even have to look, because I have, you know why? Because I have my own lane. Oh gosh, something smells really good. I guess it was that Casa Real. It smells so good. Anyway guys, that's all I got for right now. Thanks for joining me on this motovlog and my top 5 list of best looking bobbers. Again, remember, it's not like it's not facts, like it's just my opinion. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and give the video a like. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know your favorite all-time bike bed, all-time bobber. Whether that be from the factory or one that's been made into a bobber. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.